Hi everybody, it's Steve from Crofton Yoga and Wellness, and today we are going to play with a Tai Chi Qigong called Immortal Child Plays with the Ball. And to really imbibe that crane step catwalk energy, I have on my favorite cat shirt that actually looks like one of my cats, the Great Gazoo. And so it's just going to help us have fun and enjoy this. So what are we doing this for? This is a Qigong which helps us keep our body alignment when we're moving, teaches us to move our weight from hip to hip, and helps us to have proper form and focus as we're doing it. So let's all try it together. First thing I want you to do is have your feet shoulder width apart. And I want you to tuck your hips so that your knees bend just a little bit and the weight drops down into your feet. And then we're going to raise our left hand up to our shoulder. And then we're going to drop our left hand, putting the weight into the left leg, and raise our right knee. And now we put our right knee down, and then we raise our right hand up to the shoulder. Drop the right hand down, and let's raise that left knee up. And putting the left knee down and raising the left hand, and let's do it again. Left hand down, right knee up. Right knee down, right hand up. Right hand down, left knee up. And left down, left up. And one more time. Left hand down, right knee up. Right knee down, right hand up, and right hand down, left knee up, and come down and relax. And congratulations, you just played like an immortal child with the ball. And so if you like this technique, use it throughout the day just to kind of rebalance. If you've been stuck at work, sitting for too long, it's a nice way to get the body to recalibrate and wake yourself up and have a little fun through the day. And if you really like this, like, subscribe, and share so that you get involved with all of the other things that we have going on at Crofton Yoga and Wellness. And I hope you have a great day on purpose. See you next time.